Hello.
Hello, Caitlin. Your ears have been opened up after taking TeloYouth. What does that mean?
I had an ear infection for about 3 years. My left ear just felt like it was submerged underwater. But I can hear very well now. And it has only been a month of taking TeloYouth.
How long did you take it for?
It has only been a month, and I am seeing a lot of improvements already.
How many did you take?
2 scoops of TeloYouth powder 3 times a day.
2 scoops 3 times a day. Okay. How about Telo Omega?
TeloMega, the omega-3. For capsules too, 2-3 times a day.
Wow, you were able to hear very clearly now in just a month. What a miracle.
Yes.